Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. We're going to look at side hustles you can do on your phone from the comfort of your own home. If you're watching this video, then you probably have a phone, and with that phone you can make as much as 500 or more per day. These 10 side hustles that we're going to go through. Now, the first one, study pool. If you have always been a great note taker and just good at school in general, this next side hustle could potentially make you up to 5,000 or more per month. Study pool is a site where you can upload documents such as past notes that you've taken and sell them to tens of millions of students. To get started, simply go to studypool.com, select the small icon at the top right of your phone screen, tap on sell docs, and then tap on the button that says start selling documents. Now, top contributors are earning tens of thousands of dollars just for posting their notes on this website. And the way it works is that every single person can earn money by posting their notes on this website. Every time someone views a document you upload to the site, you'll be paid $10 for each view. And with tens of millions of active users on this website, that can quickly add up. Now, the second side hustle is making thumbnails for YouTube. Now, I know that many of you enjoy watching YouTube, but there are many different moving parts behind the scenes of all the different videos that you watch. And one of the most important parts of any video, believe it or not, is the thumbnail, which is the image that you tap on when you see a video that you want to watch. And a lot of YouTubers will actually outsource their thumbnail creation to other people. This is where you come in. You'll use sites like Fiverr and Upwork to find YouTubers who require custom thumbnails. You can do this by either posting gigs on Fiverr and waiting for YouTubers to come to you, or by actively searching for YouTubers who may have posted jobs on Upwork looking for a thumbnail designer. And you can also post gigs on Upwork's project catalog, and then once you start getting your first client, you'll use the Canva mobile app to create the thumbnails using pre-made templates, and then adding your own unique touch to them. Many people have made full-time careers out of it, but even if you only wanted to do it as a side hustle, it is possible. Now, the third side hustle is selling photos and sharing your thoughts on an app called Field Agent. You may have heard me mention this app in another video, but I couldn't resist including it here because it is a side hustle that you can do with nothing more than your phone. Field Agent is an app used by some of the world's largest corporations to have agents perform various tasks for their businesses. Using the app, you'll gather information for brands and retailers by taking photos, sharing opinions, and completing other tasks. Many of these tasks can be completed while doing things you'd normally do anyway, such as going grocery shopping. When you reserve and complete a job, a field agent will review your submission, and if it is approved, you will be paid in cash directly to your bank account via direct deposit. Many people have reported earning between 100 and 300 per day doing this as a side hustle. Now, the fourth side hustle is making ads. Google.com is an internet attention monopoly, and basically, most people use Google every day of their lives without even realizing it. A big part of what makes Google so much money are the ads placed on the search result pages, and many companies will pay people big money to create these simple ads for them. They are called Google Ads specialists, and it's extremely easy to become one and potentially make even more money than you are at your current day job. If you don't believe me, go to upwork.com and type in Google Ads, and you'll see Google Ads specialists earning over 100 per hour, with some even earning over $1 million. Now, I know a lot of you are thinking, yeah, but I don't know a single thing about Google Ads, and so I can't do this side hustle. If you are going to Skillshop with google.com and type in Google Ads, and you'll see Google Ads specialists earning over 100 per hour. With this is a Google created website that will train you for free on how to become a Google Ads specialist. It's not even that difficult to do, especially once you get that free training. And as you've already seen from previous posts, Google Ads specialists can easily earn 100 or more per hour. Now, the fifth one, the note. Now, this next side also is so good that I might not even tell you about it, because I might just take it from myself and do it, make all the money. I'm kidding. Okay, fine, I'll tell you. A notary is someone who is legally empowered to serve as a witness of the signing of important documents such as loan, bills of sales, etc. If someone sells a car to another person on Craigslist, in many states, the bill of state is notarized. In other words, a notary has to sign it, which means you have to go and find a notary, which is very inconvenient. But if you are a mobile notary, this means that you travel to the person that needs the document signed. And so, what you're doing is you're providing a convenient service that many people are willing to pay a lot more for the convenience. For you to start in most states, you'll typically have to fill out an application and pay a small filing fee, and in some states, you might have to complete a training course or pass an exam. But overall, becoming a notary is incredibly easy, and depending on what type of documents you're actually notarizing will change how much you get paid with this side hustle. For example, if you're signing important loan documents, then you'll typically earn $100 and $200 per signing, and then general signings for not so important documents will typically earn you between $10 and $30 per signing, not including any traveling fees that you might want to charge. The sixth side hustle is low content book. I have got to be honest with you guys. I'm honestly not sure why more people are not talking about this side hustle job of low content books. Low content books are an extraordinary way to make well over 6 figures per year from the comfort of your home. So, low content books are essentially just books that have minimal or no content on the interior pages. The content is supposed to be filled out by the user. You can think of things like journals, coloring books, word games, crossword puzzles, planners, things like that. And the amazing thing about this is you actually don't need any previous experience, because there's actually a lot of great software out there that can help you design these types of books. And there are people making as much as $17,000 per month by selling low content books. And so once you're able to get things up and running, once you find a good niche to make good LCBS in it, it is not unheard of to make as much as 500 or more per day with this side hustle. Now, for the seventh side hustle, Papa Fred PC. This is gonna sound crazy, but sites like Friend PC, Rent a Friend, and Papa will pay you to be a virtual friend for somebody who's lonely. Yes, these sites are 100% legit, and you can make money just by texting about somebody. All these sites are legit, but I find that Papa is probably the best one and the most trustworthy to use. Basically, all you will do is just go to papa.com on their icon, tap on the icon up there, and then tap on Be a Papa Pal, and then apply now, and can certainly cash your net as wide as possible by using the other two sites as well, in addition to Papa. With Papa specifically, you can make as much as $3,000 per month by being a Papa Pal now. I'm just gonna say this, okay? Obviously, guys, be safe and use common sense. The friendships with these random strangers on the internet should be strictly conversational. Now, number 8, upside. Now, this next one isn't so much as a side hustle as it is just an extra way to make money and save money on things that you do on a daily basis. Upside is an app that gives you money back for everyday purchases, things like gas, groceries, and restaurants. And where this app really shines is the money back that it gives you on gas. For the ninth one, IEM. I've talked about sites like ForUp and Snapware in previous articles. These sites will pay you pretty good money for the pictures that you can take with just your phone. But recently, I found an even better website that pays significantly more money. IM is a stock photography website that prides itself on selling authentic imagery. All you have to do is just go to im.com, click on contributors, and then click on sell your work, and then start selling your work. From here, you'll quickly create an account and then start uploading your images. How much you earn will strictly depend on how aesthetic and just visually pleasing your images are. But with most images on this site for around 350, and with IM giving you a 55 cut on every single sale, you can expect to earn about $192 per image sold. Now, for the final side hustle, proofreading. Proofreading is a side hustle that has a very low barrier of entry. As long as you know English,
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
And you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making